a time. How many of these do you have so far?
One.
It's so small it comes in credit card size packaging. At $60 a grain, it takes months to earn one.
What's the matter, Butch? Come on, give a head scratch. No pukies now. Stop that.
India has close to 400 million population. That is classified as the poorest of the poor.
Ajay Mitra's employer, the World Gold Council, is funded by a group of mining companies to promote the sale of gold. He created the program to help India's poor, not to mention the gold industry. How would you characterize the role that India plays in the price of gold?
The demand for gold out of India is fundamental for the health of the industry. If India sneezes, the gold industry will catch cold.
People in the West can think what they want. The folks in London can set prices as much as they want.
Right.
What happens in India is what determines what happens with gold.
Right.
For now, much of India's demand for gold can be found in high-end stores like Anand, owned by Issue.One.
This is the lower end of the spectrum. This starts with about $500.
It's all right. It's okay. Give a head scratch. Come on.
You wouldn't wear that to a wedding. No, you wouldn't. You wouldn't be caught dead with that in a wedding. This is about $30,000.
$30,000?
Yes.
And people are coming in and buying it.
Yes.
With India a rising economic powerhouse, the number of rich and middle-class families now outnumber the poor. Indian households save an estimated 30% of their income, compared to about 5% for American households. That combination of rising incomes and savings prowess will enable Indians to buy more gold. How can you be both frugal and conservative, but yet be willing to spend thousands of dollars on gold?
Because in your mind, that is a saving. That is going towards your saving account.